Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today our lesson is fill up the gaps and write A to Z, means letter with their sounds. Now let's start our work. This is A and here we write B and B, C and K, D, D. Then we will write here E, F, F, G, G. Now we will write here H, H, I, E. J, J. Then we will write here K, 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 L, L, L. Then here is right M, then N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, then T, T, U, V, V. W, V, X, Z, Z, Y, Y, Z, Z, Z. I hope children you will understand their letters with their sounds. Children, this is your Phonic Language Series 3, means PS. Now open the page number 18. Children, this page we have already done on board, so you have to do this page like that. And you will also do the page number 4 in the presence of your parents. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.